ISO 22000 talks about food management systems, and this standard is relevant for organizations working within the food industry, for example, manufacturers or distributors of food items. By implementing this management system, companies will make sure that they are working in a safe way and that their management system is truly safeguarding the needs of its customers. All ISO 22000 certified companies enjoy an increased reputation and credibility within the target market because there is the perception that companies that are ISO 22000 certified are actually focusing on the needs of their customers when it comes to food safety. Another benefit of such a management system is that you're going to have the systems in place to make sure that you produce or deliver to your clients food that is safe for consumption. Another important benefit that stems out from ISO 22000 certification is that by going through the processes for your organization, we are going to identify areas for improvement that will in turn lead to reduced operational costs. Also, another benefit is that by having this type of certification, you will be surely compliant with all legal regulations when it comes to food safety relevant for your organization, and therefore this can have the positive effect of having lower benefits, lower insurance premiums, So this type of standard is suitable for organizations working within the food production or distribution, and as you might know, you already follow the HACCP principles, okay? ISO 22000 considers HACCP, but also goes steps further to making sure that your whole management system is working in such a way to make sure that your organization is delivering safe products to your clients. Right now, there are some excellent funding opportunities for all companies operating in Malta, whereby the government of Malta is giving funding opportunities to companies who choose to implement this type of management system and those companies who decide to go for such certification. The implementation process for this ISO 22000 standard is split into 5 major steps. First of all, I will be able to explain the type of funding opportunities that are relevant for your organization, and if we feel that we are a match and that I can help you to achieve this type of certification for your organization, then we would submit the relevant documentation for funding. After you receive the grant agreement from Malta Enterprise, then we will move on to start the implementation process. And the implementation process starts first of all by mapping the current systems that you have in place right now to ensure food safety of your products. Once we identify the activities that you are doing right now, we will compare them to the actual requirements of the standard. By comparing what you are doing to what the needs of the standard are, we would effectively identify a gap. That gap will give us an action plan about the actions that are needed for your company to be compliant with the standard. We will take this action plan and we will implement such changes within your organization, typically by training the relevant people about the updated ways in which they have to do certain things. Once the implementation has been complete and all the relevant people have been trained on their role within the food safety management system, then we will go about doing an internal audit. In an internal audit, we will take a random order from one of your clients and make sure that the product was created or produced from start to finish within your manufacturing plant to make sure that you are following all the requirements of your management system. Once the internal audit has been complete, then we can move on to performing an external audit, which will be the entity that will grant you your ISO 22000 certification. If you think that this type of certification is beneficial for your organization, please read all the information within this page and also the information within the ISO certification page on this website to have more information about the implementation process. And if you feel that I can help you to succeed in this ISO 22000 certification, please feel free to get in touch. I would love to help you to succeed. Thank you.